ACT Cram, English Language Conventions, Verb Tense, Irregular Past Tense, ACT Foundations, Question 12. Me Medicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English Foundation, Verb Tense, Question 12. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. He blanked some time cleaning up the house before Jackie came over. Here's what I need you to understand. Most verbs are regular in the past tense. That means you follow a rule like add ed or add d to get the past tense form of the verb. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to our original question, and now for the solution. The task here was to shift the tense of spend to its simple past tense form. Spent is the simple past tense form of spend. This is an irregular past tense verb form, so you have to commit it to memory.